If you're planning to sell, trade in, or give away your Apple Watch, it's important to unpair and erase it properly first. This removes your personal data, turns off activation lock, and gets the watch ready for its new owner. Here's how to do it. Before you begin, make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are close to each other. It's also a good idea to back up your iPhone first, since your Apple Watch backup is included with your iPhone backup. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple account at the top, then go to iCloud. Select iCloud Backup, and tap Backup Now. Once the backup is complete, you're ready to unpair your watch. Now, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap All Watches in the top left corner. Next to the Apple Watch you want to remove, tap the Info button. Scroll down and tap Unpair Apple Watch. If prompted, enter your Apple account password to disable activation lock and complete the unpairing process. This will automatically erase your Apple Watch and restore it to factory settings. If you've already unpaired the watch, or you don't have your iPhone with you, you can erase it directly from the Apple Watch. Open the Settings app on the watch. Go to General, then Transfer or Reset. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your passcode if asked, then confirm the reset. The Apple Watch will erase all data and restart like a brand new device. Once the reset is complete, you'll see the setup screen. That means your Apple Watch has been successfully erased and is ready to sell, trade in, or give to someone else. And that's it. You've successfully unpaired and reset your Apple Watch before selling it.